Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Trying to cut the cord between, TV and internet, two big names pop up, YouTube TV and Fubo TV. Which one's actually worth your money? Here's the quick breakdown. Both are live TV streaming services offering local channels, sports, news, and DVR. But they cater to slightly different audiences. YouTube TV leans more towards mainstream TV viewers, while Fubo is clearly built for sports fans. YouTube TV is praised for its clean interface, reliable cloud DVR with unlimited storage and access to major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and ESPN. People love how stable it feels with minimal buffering and easy navigation, even across multiple devices. Fubo, on the other hand, goes all in on sports. It includes tons of regional and international sports channels that YouTube TV skips. Soccer fans especially swear by it, and it offers a decent mix of entertainment and channels. YouTube TV's biggest drawback is its price hikes. Some users feel it's getting too close to cable bills. With Fubo, complaints mostly about missing Turner-owned channels like CNN or TNT, and their DVR isn't quite as polished. So, if you want a balanced cable replacement with a smooth experience, YouTube TV is the safer bet. But if you live and breathe sports, especially niche or international ones, Fubo might be a game changer. Drop a like if this helped you decide, and tell me which service you're leaning towards in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.